I was a bird that loved to fly, catching the wind as it went south, and I could touch every inch of sky, and the sweetest songs trilled from my mouth. But I'm no bird anyone can see, and there's no wind waiting for me. It's just a dream, it's just a dream, to be a bird flying free. I was a cloud that loved to drift, offering shade to lay upon, and the greenest grass was my gift, and the summer day was my song. But I'm no cloud anyone can see, and there's just us instead of green. It's just a dream, it's just a dream, to be a cloud drifting free. I was a light that loved to dance, without care of who might see. I tempted fate and welcomed chance, and I held the world inside of me. The clouds have fled and the birds have flown, and the light that was is all but gone. It's just a dream, it's just a dream, to be alive, to be a cloud, to be a bird